Hey, it's Monday, December 9th. This is Larry with PonderNest. So, topic of the day, hotel and airline fees. Why don't they just give us the fee that I got to pay to stay in the room? Stop all these extra fees. Why do I have to pay 50 bucks or 25 or 30 to park in your parking lot when I'm paying to stay at your establishment, right? So, why? Just increase the price 25 or 30 bucks for the room, right? The next piece is airlines. Used to be you could get on an airline, you get a little snack meal, whether it be a little piece of chicken, a little veggie, a fruit cup, and you'd have a drink. Stewardess would go up around the rows and aisles and give you a free complimentary beverage. I understand paying for alcohol, but why do I have to pay to have a middle seat or a window or an aisle? You know what? Add 30 bucks to the price of the airline ticket and let people just pick their seat. Okay. No Wi-Fi? Why? Okay, I got discounted airlines and they don't provide Wi-Fi. I get it, but don't have the Wi-Fi signal on the flight when you don't have Wi-Fi on the plane. There's a couple airlines that basically they're a bus. You pay your ticket, you get on. If you want to drink, you're going to pay for it. If you don't have Wi-Fi, bring your phone, play a video game, read an ebook, whatever you need to do. But the bottom line is, why don't these companies just go ahead and give us the rate? What's included in that? Don't nickel and dime us as we go through the process and your $285 ticket turns into being just under 400 for a cheap flight during the week, or $700 or $800 ends up being nine because of the little additional fees that you have. And you know what? Check a carry-on. If you want to charge for a carry-on, go ahead and do that. You want to charge for a check baggage? Go ahead and do that too. Let me take my backpack if I'm doing an overnight trip. But again, going in, signing in, I get this. If I sign up for free and get a loyalty number, wow, all of a sudden I get a free carry-on. So why don't you go ahead and sign up for every single loyalty program? I traveled for a living for 25 years, Monday through Friday, sometimes several cities. I was diamond or platinum on every airline, hotel, or rental car company out there. I use points, but I did learn that since I'm not traveling now and I'm on my own, keeping those points or signing up for a flight with a new airline or a new hotel, you're going to get a little bit of a discount if you just apply for that loyalty program that's free and use that every single time that you travel, you drive, or you fly. This is Larry for PonderNest. We'll see you tomorrow.